What's up guys, and today we're heading to our next destination.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
Hi guys, that's my babe for today. So tomorrow is another babe. Hi you guys, we're here in our next destination. Oh, I'm in the wrong direction though. We're heading to a pond.
See you on the other side. Stays alive. Stays alive.
Uh-oh, Mom, we're gonna go out and feed them.
Keep it together. Keep it together. See you on the other side. Stays alive. Stays alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together. See you on the other side. Stays alive. Stays alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together.
Oh, that's so nice. Look at that sunset, guys. I love the breeze. It's so cool.
Yeah, it's very fun to be out here today. We're sitting in Twins by the window, and I can feel this breeze around the window. I'm like, hey, it's nice out there.
It is nice when it's not 110.
I know, babe.
You know?
See you on the other side. Stays alive. Stays alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together.
Oh, look, they found out there's dinner. Look across the whole pond, look.
Allah, everybody's coming in. Ah! There's one battalion is coming in.
Dinner!
Because Mom is giving
Throw
them
the food. Out that
food.
way, you guys. Get away from me.
No.
You didn't go very far. He looks like our cat. He's got a white tusk like our cat. Are you Floyd the duck? You look like the Floyd duck.
What a good life, isn't it?
I just keep throwing them so they don't come any closer to me because they're close enough for my comfort. Oh no!
Hi! Wanna say hi to my vlog, guys?
Huh?
You're here. You say bye?
Land.
They're following us. Uh-oh. That's so nice. Wow, this is so cool.
They're still coming. Look.
Uh-oh, they're still following. Baby's flying the drone right there.
See, those are swans. With the long necks.
Yeah. Ooh, I love the breeze.
See you on the other side. Stays light. Stays light. I got to keep it together. Keep it together. Keep it together. Keep it together. See you on the other side.
So cute. What?
Keep it together.
Somebody's playing soccer right here. It's so beautiful. Oh.
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for weakness. I've been flying
Yeah, so I hope that you're having a good day, guys. And yes,
I've been
until next time.
around
See ya.
the globe trying to protect